Welcome to Jamb 2012 Economics Past question number 29. So we use the information below to answer questions 29. Investment expenditure of an economy changes by 2 million naira and MPC is 0.75. The question now says the multiplier is what? So if you're looking at the multiplier is denoted by K, which is equals to investment over 1 minus MPC, which is equals to 1 over MPS, and our MPS is called marginal propensity to save. Now our K is multiplier, MPC is marginal propensity to consume. So and I is investment. So therefore over 1 minus MPC is equals to 1 over 1 minus 0.75, which is equals to 1 over 1 minus 0.75 is 0.25. So 1 divided by 0.25 is giving us 4, which is option B. So B is the right answer. Please thank you and subscribe for more past questions.